Say me she want and she no left. She must think me no hear them get cured yet. Want me settle then you left me a cure stress when you make a next man pull off dress. Still, she say me she want all this me. Baby sorry, no girl can't trick me. Been through a lot of things, check me girl history. Lost girl left me morgan like witness. So me not trust a next girl. Baby you alone till me book a next girl. Girl by my side coulda pretty like Miss World. Me still a fear touch a next girl. Call me not trust a next girl. Baby you alone till me book a next girl. Girl by my side coulda pretty like Miss World. Me still a fear touch a next girl. My girlfriend ball ask me yo me tan so. Now she gone left me a sing nanko. Me no licky me no yam them meat, but most of me girl call me dog and drunk up. Over me body enough white bragging good. Tell the chicken heads come to Gavin cook. This thing rob the rich girl mind the poor girl, but a danger one I never Robin Hood. Me not trust a next girl. Baby you alone till me book a next girl. Girl by my side coulda pretty like Miss World. Me still a fear touch a next girl. Call me not trust a next girl. Baby you alone till me book a next girl. Girl by my side coulda pretty like Miss World. Me still a fear touch a next girl. In our yard no she want water.
My youth, wake up.
Well, I'm not thinking shoes.
What's my? Oh yeah, wake up.
Chill. Where is it?
Yo, I run me every run another day. You see me? Yeah. Never hold my wicked thing that is. Big man.
Hold on. Up on your way and put your
take this thing from the top down. Want to tell me what really happened?
hype on them look up y'all over there. Every them man get over here. Me I tell you every girl come wine and split for me no, y'all. Come bubble up your hip for me no, and every girl come wine and split for me no. Puppy tail girl do this for me no. Me I tell you every girl come wine and split for me no, y'all. Come bubble up your hip for me no, and every girl come wine and split for me no. Bend over girl.
Yes, stress for the friend. The friend, you know, I'm out of them.
Attack one.
I can't friend. Nice little spot, you know?
Yeah, man.
But I give you one thing. What's your name, friend?
My name is Jessica.
Yeah?
And you are?
Yeah, Marlon.
Marlon.
See, the same girl.
So you that coming?
I look a wife.
Just coming about and I look wife, so?
Seriously, I'm in there.
Okay. Anyway, this bar is not mine. It's my friend. But she's not here right now. She's gonna be with me. I made it to me again, yeah.
Wanna hear what?
No, it's not my good friend bar.
But let's go my bar and get me. Right now, they look too good for no one day, so serious. Right now, I'm going to shop at can't do it something. It's money no other.
You know me like with you?
Big man.
Marlon, I like how you love going like you want to get money to catch me. I love money still. But I'm not so easy to get.
School man, you need to make take you out on the video.
Well, no have a problem with that, take me out to me.
Yeah, man?
In the foreign. And you know, they don't know the two good still.
Yeah, bo?
Yes, I know. Big or little.
What's small one? I want more now.
Okay. Cup and ice? No cup and no.
No, just me. Yeah, serious still on the board. But I like to get the number so they'll contact me.
Yeah, but call the number right now.
You can call anytime?
No, you can call me, you can come and speak to me. You can call me tonight.
Like a style.
Thanks.
So, you're wrong one. I go back on the place. Really? Yeah?
Alright. And I like this too.
Hello? Marlon? Which part you there? I'm at 6 o'clock now and I know you leave work already. Yeah, but remember me tell some way you buy something without it. Alright, just remember to buy pork for me because I tell them I want it to season up for dinner tomorrow. Don't take long to come back, alright? Alright then, love you too. Alright, later.
Jessica? Wow. Yeah, me just lock up the place and wanna leave. Yeah, we can meet now, yes? Alright, meet me up at the mall, KFC, man. Alright.
Boom, shala, so dash man. Living the dark data. Me love girl. Boy, you see me now? Me no want a little girl in a bubble and keep a big woman a be a jump on a bubble and dip and see me body and you better bubble pan this make we go in a the corner go cuddle and sit. If one of my girlfriend let me.
Yo,
You want to bunch of when you oh, you want to get a kid.
Woman a request and a request, I say them want it from me. No love it off like candy. Them a request, some scoring and them go like Nandy, but me never go low as Angie. Woman a request and a request, I say them want it from me. Fat sexy girl a wine for me. Them a request, some scoring and them go like Nandy, but me never go low. 861-1959, yeah she call me line. Anytime she want the bump and grind, that's fine. And when she want the bedroom crime, I'm me R119. My girl, I your choice if you feel for shine. You can do it and ease my mind. But remember, we keep this in your frisky mind. Bad man no play 69. Woman a request and a request, I say them want it from me. Love it off like candy. Them a request, I'm scoring and them go like Nandy, but me never go low as Angie. Woman a request and a request, I say them want it from me. Fat sexy girl a went for me. Them a request, I'm scoring and them go like Nandy, but me never go low. This girl I tell her friend them I'm cute and handsome. Every night time she recruit me long gun. Say she want a youth me not to use no condom. But yes man.
So how come I after 9 no one in the reach you all now? I may call him phone and I not get him. Voicemail. I wonder if him alright. How come they just a reach here?
Something.
And after 9 now?
You know, you told me, sir, bro. Didn't I explain to you that I was doing something?
Nobody with it.
What wrong with it? What thing?
You mean by one to me? Because from 6 o'clock, tell us to buy something for me and tell us to hurry up and come back and say, babe, me soon come, whatever. And come tell me about I love you too, I know you just reach at 9 o'clock.
So hold on. The whatever when me tell us, you see? So tell us something I bring, go drop off. I'm going to get through till then hours there. So what the problem? Why have you so?
How come you call the phone and I not get you?
Because my battery dead. My phone dead.
Come here, call the phone and I not get you, so...
I don't see me can cheer you up because I know your style and what you like, you know. You don't want it?
How much? Alright, how much?
Yeah, obviously.
How much?
I don't know, count it.
So you can't have money in account it?
I don't think I have to tell you a different, you know. Right, I feel tired, like, I want to sleep on things still, but now what I did, someone else line up for me.
No, not because they give me the little money here. I go out.
So come.
I am going out. I got El shot tomorrow for my dinner. So I'm not cook.
Where are you?
I got El shot tomorrow for my dinner, so I'm not cooking.
No, I say you're going out. Where are you? Tonight?
Yeah.
Tonight, are you?
Yeah.
Hold on. Hold on.
What?
Hold on.
Let go from the... What is...
Give me this. Where are you tonight?
Maybe one club.
We do.
I'm a friend.
Go sleep. You're not gonna wait. Can't wait tonight. Tonight is my night. You have to stay with me. I'm gonna be here and come. Don't go away. Alright?
Yo, I'm not telling you running on my place tomorrow, you.
Yeah, man.
Man, you not do them thing there again, hombre. And what do you come on time me I tell you that bad man I say it tough. When time you come call from out there, I hate dada.
Daggy, first time you tell me.
First time me I tell you, man, move, what do you my out? First time me I tell you why you what?
So Daggy, right now no judge I for work, me get it none dog. You know work, Ja?
Me no work you, you hear that? Every Friday me collect, what do you what?
So you collect any work, Ja?
As them girl work, me just go grab them bags. You see me?
That's your cool, Ja? I wish we could do it like you.
So you would step with me?
Yo, and then me see you next time make you know how I go on, Ja.
Mad up a thing, man, you see me?
Yo, children, come here, sir. When it's out the road, when you clean up, yeah. Soon they clean his back. I want to tell you, that's the next time they use a clean up, man. Oh.
Yeah, what's it for?
Love you. Love you. I mean, they got this beard. They got medium neck, they got restrict neck beard. You got to know?
Yeah, we go. I'll show you how to operate the machine. When you cut off this thing. Let's cut off this thing. You put it on there. Now yes, now. And you come down with this. You come down with this. You can't see fire. You can't see. Oh yeah, will lick me now.
Oh, babe, take time now. Oh. Oh, you can't take time.
Where am I, man?
Oh.
Yo, may I take time now?
Yeah, do it out.
Hey, you know what I see?
Babe.
You know, look really it's man, serious.
Oh. Babe, what make I come from work so late?
Yeah. It's a very beautiful hour, isn't it? And she want to work your job. Alright, now, blacks are down there again, and then paint our bar and everything, so I know say, that will take a little time, but so start reach home back here.
So that means no more money?
Yeah, more done.
Road clear though. No didn't get a pass it.
So baby, this is your last week I get to carry now. My last week gone. So?
Yeah, okay. This season, you check back in because I remember say, last month, the man slamming on me, I'm going to fix it. What time I pocket? So I'm going to do the insurance, I believe it's serious.
Yeah, or you cause me can't just take taxi.
What are you saying? I'm just, who was saying, go. I see if I don't know buy you your chair.
You buy one camera?
Shit, I didn't tell you, but you don't sleep at it.
mama.
Mommy, alright? Yeah, just a check up on you, because I'm there going to you know what I mean? No, work with them. Later when I leave, so definitely I come check you. Don't worry about that. Right? Alright.
Yo, boss.
Yeah.
You hear me? I think I saw them now, or in my game like a girl. You can't manage them. Them work out. I feel man.
Seriously, what I second?
But you can't be the second. In my baby like a baby.
Alright, yeah. No, sir. Tell me the card.
In rough enough, yeah, man. In tough enough. No man. Nah, man.
Yo, Joshua.
Yeah.
Yeah, really, I come from far and think my you know what? The man that tell me say I run from the plan. You see the work, it's not an easy work. Let me tell you this. No, hold on, listen. I don't want to stress you out on your thing. Them thing I will give a boss and them thing. They're big man work. So you will be out.
Boss, I'm not Vikings, boss.
Alright, me understand. If you need something, then you want 2-5. But listen, see 2 years, check me tomorrow. You give 500. Yeah. But so man, if you get no work for you like no supermarket work or no grocery work, me make you get this.
Yeah, do me some work.
Store man. Look come on, yeah?
Boss, yeah, city land. Yeah, city of the thing, John.
My youth, after you can't manage.
I alone why it's for.
I want a little girl who do better than you, my youth. I want to you.
Hey, Stammer.
No, no.
So far, yeah?
Alright, boss.
Hold on. Ingan?
I don't know him telling him. I see him go around this, so I'm going out the door. I don't know him telling, boss.
Alright.
Madam, how long may I so my problem you cannot want me come to your place, come stay.
No. You not talk to her, man. Alright. But tell us, my mother, the problem, though. Yeah, why you can't come now? The last girl I talked to, she get too comfortable in her house. Mother talked to her, a fight turn out, you know. So mother said she don't want no woman at all.
So if you care people like them, they get mother place, she don't fight.
I never know. So at that may I tell her, say, yo, same like how may I talk to you, and so me start talk to her, and everything did nice at first, until she start, isn't it so? And I like,
so come stay up here with me, no stay here with me, man. I don't have a problem with you staying here.
no, that's the next thing. Remember my mother sickly, you know.
So that would have better can could I help do, you know, when you go to work, run the house and wash her clothes and some fear.
She know I'm going to see her later, if you're a good girl or not. But yeah, man, everything's will work out the best way, man. Now come in, man, just move up one of them there or something. You see me?
Let me say no, man, because I not see you regularly, I come to see you. And you tell me say I'm alone in your life.
But you know that.
And I know say you're alone in my life. Anyway, I know say you're not giving me no money, nobody else. When I say, remember, they come money thing over that about the other day, when I tell us to start up things in my house, and you tell me say you're going to give me.
I'm not telling me again, man.
When you give me, I want to know, man, I need the things, man. You understand? You know, say I need them.
But Friday, I make you get that. Friday. No longer Friday.
Let me get you, man.
See, me do that like a business, you know. And, see, that business I'm here to talk about.
I'm saying, no?
No, you have to take a call outside, but Ready with that, yeah? Hello. No, they not mean right now.
It's not just that way.
Yes, so you are one. No, it's so common, what is the problem?
I wonder what my doctor did about
I miss it to my body, you know, I'm never.
Miss you. Babes.
What can I mean? So you are one.
Mean? After me not getting me up there. No, sir.
Now call him from the chair.
I'll kill him and chat to him.
I love you, baby.
Love you. I'm able to say I love you. I love you, but that's it.
Babe? And the man that what he give me the money. So I'll be telling by Friday I get here. So now for yourself, man. I'm on your paint out in your tree, you know. And deal with the place, you know what I mean? But why am I telling me the road last time? I'm tired.
So sleep now? No, I'm not sleeping with clean.
Call him and live here.
Yes, so you're tired, so you want. Yeah, no, I'm rest yourself now. I'm rest yourself. Yeah, so ease up. I know. You don't tell me because I've come to my God.
I'll sleep over.
Yeah, Aunt. To go to the if you want. You drop asleep? You asleep? Sleep. Hello, Vince. Come here, you drop off. You have to can. But after I know what my number is, no such no right. You know what? You got to call that number. Me try and exchange. You call that girl. Because you know some face are the same thing. If I take the match still, I same thing with my domain to the girl. Because they cut in. Guess what? Your phone a drop out of your hand. Fix me, fix it, stay good. You know, to jump up, start something. Must get about it, you know?
You're not kind of hard.
You know, I fit two items to make it up, to make it turn on the phone and I see. Like your phone, I go drop it. I'm going to fix it. No, I don't go back. Your sister, you're tired, fit two. Can I find my lock off man? You know, if I'm going to fix two? Not real life. I'm tired, I know. wake up. You don't want to get as much rest. You must say everything is going to deal with, and you say you have to get called to go deal with work. Get up, man, get up, come, get up, get up, get up.
What for them go?
Have a bathroom. Take your time, you have the phone. Have a bathroom. Make case now.
Shit. Oh, my shoes, Shit, my shoes. I'm telling you what I really know. If you like this, it's a late. Shit.
Come here, tell your shoes here, son.
No, I'm late. I'm late.
May I see you later?
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
You come. Make sure I'm saying.
Come up, man.
Yeah, may I make sure I call this. Hello? Yes. Is this Karen?
Yes, this is she.
Yeah, I'm Jessica. Yeah, I go to my man's phone and I see what I miss call find you and receive call. We turn a call and one another regular. Yeah. What do you mean, which man? Marlon.
Which Marlon?
Tall, slim Marlon and he good looking. And I live up on Meadows.
Yes, that's where we live.
Which see Marlon and Meadows? No, my girl, man, I get it wrong. We don't know war team. That's one if I see a person we are talking about. Man, I live with his mother. And his mother sick. Yeah. Anyway, me no feel like talk about it over the phone. We could meet up. But you can come up at my place. Yeah. No, me not worry, my girl. Me not the type of person.
Alright, yeah, we can meet. So, what's the address or whatever?
We live in Bagwalk. So when you try to stop light, you turn up on it first. Right, yeah. And come up in the spin and you look on the road. I'll tell anybody for Jessica.
Alright then, soon come over there, come meet you.
You know you got a man, but that's not important to me. You're much too important to me. For me, make him waste the time. And plus, every time I touch another girl, it's like a waste of time. Yeah, me just realize that although me a girl is in a real life, me need you in my life. Cause baby, you're the best I ever had. Best you ever had. Okay, girl, you got me. One smile caught me. One touch locked me. Sexually rock me. World and leave me. Needing more and more and more. Even when I'm in foreign, call you on the phone and your voice so sweet. Yeah, though you're a million miles away like a leaf. Say you got the keys to my heart. Officially, I miss you. Without you, my life's in pieces like a pizza. So how bad me need you, would I breathe if you keep him in my other girls sings up the past like a beeper. For you, I'd stop drinking, stop being a cheater. Yes, you're the girl I would try to change me for. Why? My life changed since the moment me meet you. You make my heart race, so I guess I you would beat for. Even though it seems that something is trying to keep us apart like Christmas and Easter.
Oh baby, baby.
Yeah.
You know I love you.
I love you too, lady.
You know I need you. You are always on my mind.
Okay. B, we have good news. I get back the car next week.
Yeah, that's good.
Get more time to buy year one.
Well, that sounds good.
So you look like you're happy for your life.
A good one. Just not in a good mood right now.
So, where you go?
When you go in there, you'll see your dinner. You'll see how we go.
You know, say, me really am sure that I'm going to fix it. But I'm going to fix you up later. Okay? Alright, that's great.
I wanna see my youth. Cool man, tonight me have to say now for straight. Already done? Yeah. If you see a little sound or nobody, you might just alert me, you know what I want. One move like this, I don't know done. You know what? Dog to dog. That's all good man all in here. Thank you. Thank you. Thank you, John. Yeah, cook now. Ina sabi sa mga nung ko pero tayo tingnan naman. Ano na to ba sa siya? Ang topi de ano one to stop. Yeah.
Mommy.
I'm going to buy a sweet sweet now. I buy anything. I'm go back for it. Yeah. Nobody wanna tell nobody nothing. I buy anything I want, dolly, anything. Just I buy something here. Miss, not here, something. Well, I want something here. But I tell you, money not here. I buy a one party. But I tell you, money not here. Can be anything for you. Anything. See, I put guys anything. Father, what's the idea? So, nobody love other people, Tina. You love other people, you're fun. You hold him tight, you might give you hold him for birthday or something. Don't move him now. Don't move. You love other people. You might buy if I'm moving now. Don't move. Don't move. Maybe on people pan you, nobody move for that, I tell you. But then you still say, tell me say, me soon come here, I barrel come and tease her, yeah? Me just a surprise her and I take up her things then. You understand? Can you imagine?
Daigit, yo, Daigit, yeah. Where they on my youth? Yeah, pre out door. Why pre that?
What go on that make a cut clip? So you deal with man then?
My you know say yo, me get a phone call dog say yo. My grandmother dog have a little stroke my youth. So me have to run fast, you see it?
Well, we can't do anything. I did me nearly dead in a dance. You can't do anything. That me assure that I can't do anything with that.
I mean, it's a 30 million money get to the house.
30 million who get there. I feel like I stand $30 million.
New transport and anything.
Yeah, me cousin me borrow things from that. You see me?
So they pan that. What go on?
Yeah, you see me go so boom and push me to your window. And me go so. Me see a 360.
Yeah.
In there, you see me?
Yeah.
We go so boom and take you up. And I look if nobody there come in well and I drop him. Me like it job but me think say I just try or something. You see me that?
You drop a game through that?
You come me think say you're out there, you see me show you say when me look me see team mash up and things. My you see me go so me along one little pick me and say, Mommy, somebody see me wheel and turn out the house done. Watch out. I cut up Dan, we couldn't turn in the house Dan. That's why me show you have a bag if you out there now me just would have a money in your pocket and you go so boom. Sell a game. You see me, I have a piece of money and me have a piece of money same way. You see me dog, when I tell you you can't move, so I ain't go on a team keep people in know so your grandmother you have to go dead or something dog. To get a piece of money.
Man.
You know fi move so dog.
You see a word man. So where you pre-feed age?
Me there see yes, so me there going easy dog and want to see you cause me I wonder where you going with you see me dog.
Yeah man, my grandmother man, you see it. Sick, you see it, man,
if anything woman are dead and done I saw fake cause me know you don't have money in your pocket.
I that me should not pray, you know dog.
Me know you don't have money in your pocket right now, you see me dog.
I that me should not pray.
But anyway, still me have try house love you know dog, you see me? So right now, Dusty man, Dusty I say no, I need to credit me now in your dad. See me? Me there go and pray to court not to make slush or anything, cause me I tell you thing Dusty done. That's it.
Oh. Just scoop up permission man, you see it?
Dig up yourself man, you see me dad.
Yeah, me don't run a back.
Some boy yo. You see, she never talking that he come, she like boom, lick out 20 them out time out, but I just jump bridge into that.
Look at that girl. We got one party last night, girl, I beat things. But wait, Karen, how you look so? Marlon has stressed me out. Marlon woman called me yesterday.
Which woman?
I don't know which woman. She called me. Said me to come up her yard and she want me to or whatever. I mean I understand that.
So what she wants up her yard for?
I don't even know. She just said she want to talk to me.
I tell you still like a lick man for licking me in your mouth Dan. You see me? You see me Dan? My man like them that my real friend you know Dan, my real friend that. You see me?
Like it.
My real friend that them.
That is where you from man?
You me just there talk about your dog and not you around left me I say I'm a real friend dog.
Cooler man.
You around left me and nothing bad man.
Yes, wallet.
Wallet?
Yeah.
No, so I not seen a wallet as a dog. If you say wallet, I'm gonna take up your and give you. I'll roll away those tears. Money in there.
Yeah man, I make a passport so me I look find them man. You see, you don't have to pay for
but that's the thing dog. I mean I have a friend in a dan.
I can't believe that Jessica really I don't argue that the girl before she get some acid her face or something.
So you want me to follow you? No, me go down there by myself. Just I go down wash and go down there.
Anyway, me can't stay, so me have to go down the road later.
Me call you, make you know what is what.
Alright.
Alright, then my friend.
Yeah. Oi! Rich man, me a come. Alright, come. So Jessica, what you say about it now? You don't know say Mala woman.
But tell her what the boy know. But I tell the boy I'm a dirty liar boy know. I'm for the girl me tell her when the girl in her face and acted her. And so because you stand to us and the girl yeah you know. And if make we do.
Oh it's long, I can't take over for come up. That's what me say.
So we stop one now.
Wait man, take off the boat man. Remember say she clean and cock up.
The shoes are dirty.
Take off them foot.
Alright then. So we said we still got like a dirty boy now.
Me say, me and him there good you know. He go check me and me up there and lie down. He go lie down, foot in my stomach, cock up and me feel so good. Me a rubbing down and all of that something there. And catch me miss him and you know say me love him. So one and only man at that thing tell me. Then we didn't promise me money and me ask him about it and him and say yes mom we get it Friday. Buffing get one phone call. He go in the bathroom. Me never like when I look so me screech and go up there. Put my ears in the bathroom, hear my tell about in there meeting. And me know me not kid me no blind now. Then him go say love you, baby. I can't him and I talk to him. So anyway, you know me come up, me tell you all this and me see my head door and pull some me choke off on the bed, should have seen me friend, me choke. Me I will.
Oh you don't think someone you're talking and you leave me and I'm going to give man away. See me
him man not do me yet, me I tell you when he do me. After me run in and choke on the bed now, me lie down. Drop asleep in my bed when I want K and call him when me looking at his phone. Me just slide out there and check the phone. K on. What me say? K&, call him. You left and go now. After?
I got a camera, one fancy place.
Me fancy them and go to the blade papa. Oh, so, you know how that will come papa? I had to use a book and fast. So anyway, now when me do some book and he gone now, me make a call and call the girl. The girl answer. Say a fair man. Me describe him. Fair man. Fair man then.
I show a phone man. Na phone man too.
You know, say me not like something I'm not like a shape of it. My man, why you say me your friend? If I take him, I go lick you. Okay, yeah man.
You can't lick girl. Me you want lick. I want to show but so she go.
No, she not want me because she's so afraid.
Satisfy right, yeah.
Hold on, make it one girl.
Yeah, me don't say again, I can.
Oh, that give me a call. Yes, hold on, me a call.
Alright, me tell you wait.
Ready, girl? Yes, sure.
Alright, one care, one
Sure.
care.
Sit down, there's not trouble no more.
No, I'm not trouble no more.
Me a watch you no man.
Well, man, me afraid, man, I'm not trouble things. The man never trouble things with them. I'm going to go let me trouble things. I'm going to feed them now. So I put that on trouble things with them.
Yeah, fine. Yeah, Mr. Somebody.
Let's say something to come up with.
Did I walk to them?
Hold on, my friend. I'm not here, you know. So you follow me. Come. I'll feel over here. So, miss you. Come. And I'll take off the shoes. This is where I live.
Okay.
Come on, let's go. I want my friend can stop on the bed.
She's still around the everybody wants to be perfect, but she's again like take a man and she's somebody back. Put her down this man.
Sit down, don't watch her. Come sit down. You love her too much, I'm telling you.
So you tell me, sir, you alone are going to up here?
My friend come up here and that not have nothing to do with you.
Oh, she?
Come on, come sit down.
Me not come up here feeling no argument with nobody, you know.
She. Mara.
I mean.
Wait me.
She.
Yeah, well, wait a little. All I can say your name there.
11 years now, me and Marlon there.
11. What she say?
You know, you said, can you hear something like you usually ask me?
11 years, me and Marlon there?
11 years, me and Marlon there. Me and Marlon lived, we have a son.
You can't have face no. You can't have face no.
Me couldn't look her in her face.
But you know, say you're there too. There's a girl like I think they're
looking about she can't believe me in my house. So
I'm
call her for war. You get what me say?
Never be war, I'm just me war the girl in. And I'm just me war the girl.
Go sit down, man. Nobody know watching. You may have friend and I mean, know. You know, so
some you tell me strong.
Yeah, but you know,
that's the way for some person because we're going to call and then after. But I see you no,
I'm not come up here in an argument with nobody.
So you could have put back in there.
I'm not then you deal with that because I feel man in my mind. So you deal with that. Go on, sit down back, yeah?
You see that damn life with you. One time I talk to you, you always understand. And next time I come.
I'm not afraid of Fred, I was a douche of the night. I'm not afraid of Fred.
I'm going to tell you, me call me, I am a friend, you know. I'm a friend, she. But because you come to explain, say.
No, but you tell me you come up here and you have your friend, don't you?
Yeah, but
me can't my friend to don't.
So your friend and I. Alright, look here. Since I don't need your man first and something, let me tell you what we are going to do. Me have a plan we have to come up with. You understand? And we are going to try to we'll do it sitting.
Call him, make him come up here.
Yeah, me will call him, make him come up here. Want something to drink?
No, I'll give him to drink. I'm taking 20% of my airport. I'm not
No, I don't want nothing to drink.
Oh, can I should have poisoned you?
You love what so? It's a ring? It's a ring because you're going to see it.
You hear me? I better not feel the same man I came up here. I don't go to cancel.
Wait, man, I'm tap it, man. Ring again. You can't start trying out to the bubble gum.
See my car there?
It's a car.
No, I feel when I go to try. You don't want to feel when I say? Me when I say?
I feel man. Hi, baby. I missed you. Yeah, me tell you come well once. I was surprised you. God knows something good. Where is it? Make it 5, Hurry up. Me and burn up. Love you. This is for me, man.
You can't keep, you know. You can't keep.
Look here, we could just work with it. We don't fight and work.
So, I think my phone.
No, I told me. Oh, one time I remember iPhone. So we are going to do now when I go back.
The men can be the class. The men can be the class.
I wish you call this.
Look here, nobody do what you
And you me, I tell you what.
You're in a closet with her?
The man soon come and I feel me.
You're not coming there with me.
Mine about
You
you
stay out here.
Mickey is man over here. Okay.
Oh, you punk one. You don't worry about it. You're going to
No, you are going to have that to deal with you. No, I go build the grill for you, man. Know yourself, yeah?
What's wrong?
Alright, yeah. You can get it tomorrow evening. Yeah. Wow.
So you have to kiss about your ears?
Me is a ring, man.
I told me not calling him.
So, what? What's
surprising me? I miss man. I don't know that.
You don't say you are real eyeglass when you check it.
I know eyeglass, man, but you know, say me not get it like come if you get it when if you get it. So you say like come and call and you say, you not do nothing at the time. You know, you look surprising, take me to call for.
No, you are one. Me have both. Me have some grill and make you some money and we get it by tomorrow. But pass me a pass up still. Isn't it?
Like so, just stand up as you see me. You're best friend, huh?
You know you're not focused.
Me not focus, it's true. Yeah.
A pass me a pass still, isn't it? Though when me shop me I go back go. I give you some grill for some money.
So you miss me too?
If me miss it.
So now that's when me call me, but I go here at
I want to workshop, I want to make up here.
Up here? Yeah man, I can do. Me not tell you say anything you can do. Up on me place.
Who's Karen?
Kian. B. Why I try to bring up a Kian in my life? Kian is my baby mother. Wait, I live for about 5 years now. Kian is just like a thief. We always go through my pocket at night time, isn't it? So, I don't know why I bring up a Kian.
I love you though. I love you more than that.
No, you're my only baby though.
I mean, know that you tell them that every day. Yeah. Say that one.
Oh no, I don't shop more. Just pass to see if you're alright.
Yeah, I'm good man.
You good? Sure?
You're going to be great.
No.
Say squeeze me some.
Some.
Maybe some more.
See how I'm going.
So you tell them what to them to look at something to say? You're not ashamed of what I'm telling you. Alright, go on, come on. You come up here.
Now come up here now.
Yeah man, come, close the door behind.
Cook some food, Mr. Who come here?
Alright, sweetheart. Yeah. So can't stop now? So no, sit on the song. Yes, it's that man and they are female one.
Much ball at the boy, the ball.
No, get the thing straight.
Yeah.
Is your man and I see a man and
you can keep him. Yeah, you see him.
my girl, you still not answer me.
Me say yes.
Oh, I see your man at the man, you see your man turn.
No, it's we can't go full cut now. Right now, because I don't know, because female land. And right now, me want to go for my bar now, you see? So you see, when you have someone who's hot now, and look nice. You do not
go tonight.
Alright, hold on. Remember me what? Put back your wine.
You want to put back your wine?
Put back no.
Yeah.
Put back your wine.
So anyway, we sit by the bar, says come by the bar back the later here.
Next day, no bossy.
I understand that. I'm going to link you for yard. You don't link you for yard.
You didn't say link you for yard.
Alright, you know. Go over there. Tell me everyone that say money and our makeup kit should be there $500. And you say the boat there. So I say, I now reach home early today. I have to go drop off some of my Spanish on, isn't it? Ladies and thanks.
Ja, you say we shut dirty.
No, then, what does that be doing?
I hear me say, Mr. Chin shirt and deal with my money, you see it?
I can't believe Marlon really do this to me. I give me bun, and I talk about me a thief, and I not take care of me picnic, unless me left the boy there. Where am I calling my phone for? Who that?
Yeah.
What you want?
Hi, Bill, this is it, man, and send me feet. You say under your makeup kit. See, I can't pack up to go somewhere though.
I left Marlon, you know.
So Marlon, do you know if you have plans to left him?
Marlon, I give me bun. Marlon, I give woman.
I lie, I tell the general, I call, check up on you know.
I can't call my phone for.
So, where you been, man, sir?
I move, me leave him, I have him woman. And I talk about me a thief and whatever, me live like 5 years, so we still have the year.
Who tell us, sir?
I go from the girl you are there with.
Sit down, man. Sit down and talk to me, man. Tell me what really I want now.
I go up at the girl you are there with. And me and our friend we go hide in our closet. And we hide in the closet and the two of them, him and the woman up on the bed. And him a tell her about him love her and me and him left for 5 years now.
I didn't think the man in a
and me a thief and me not take care of my picnic and all of them something there. So me a move go out Ochi.
Yeah, me feel like a
dirty boy son with me.
I feel like a dirty boy for a long time, you know. See a word, my friend, can't say man really hurt, you know what I mean? Hush, man, you see it? Hey, it's like how man in there.
That's why she run out the dog her yard and get a real man in her yard. You know see the boy drop the standard and him tongue get long like a lawnmower car. The big girl run out the dog of your yard and get a real man in her yard. You know see the boy drop the standard and him.
I think we should just do this, you know.
Don't be no man and this.
And I like me look in a relationship or nothing.
Feel like I go cut before man come, you see it?
Alright, do that now.
So you have plan for the now?
Me I go Ochi.
You all go stay?
Me and my son.
It's okay, what do you plan to leave? I'll take care.
Ken, what me a so?
Bossy. Well, I'm bossy, me place in the bossy.
But where did you start?
Where did you talk to?
Why are you me a talk to me? Where did you?
Bossy, I'm bridging bossy.
Why so me a bridging and I'm also that shoes off my youth?
Bossy, just scratch my boot, just scratch my bossy, I'm take off my shoes, bossy.
So why how you belt pull my youth?
I say, bossy, I'm going to keep my shoes just drop a while ago, I don't have time to buckle up it. Talk to me, man, I talk to you.
Ken, where man are you in the music, Ken? Ken, talk to me, no, Ken. So why you tell me no!
Mosquito. Let me save you.
Yeah, save it. Mosquito.
Wow, what up? Charge it.
Yo, I'm not telling around here and play so hombre.
Dog, I just kill a fence for my life.
Yo, calm down, man. What do you take time when you talk? What one?
Dog, just go link a little nigga for your 5 minutes. I don't know, say no more youth. Man, then did they see it and man girl, I got you a little problem and I got me solve the problem, dog. And the man come catch me for the ears, that's it. I know man, I roll me down in the last, dog.
Roll me down with the last?
Yeah.
You know where you was?
Yeah, man. It's like a coward boy, dog. It's a coward youth in the dog. So true, you cute, I'm a last to see my first run for my life, that's it.
You know where you live?
Cool, man, I know where boy live, man. Me does the boy live, that's it. Now we have to go circle him.
Soon forward.
Come on, charge it.
Listen, you know where the boy live?
Yeah, man. I know where man inside girl live, man.
Go down there then, now.
I'm so much by next foot, dog. But just make me fling off my shoes off a little idiot boy, man.
Watch your way, forward.
Them thing me no know them. Mad rat know them. Peekaboo. Me stepping at the place, not smile, me not smile. Them get the bubble you wild. Them who know I make a few guys. Hey KB, them a fight me and them beat say we don't know. Emmanuel, that guy we show we not the way you go. Them who no like visiting you, them talent are the glow. From make up and mark something happy, a bad mind they show. Yo, I hope you them a practice. To them one we lie down in a casket. Every day them sit down and them chat shit. Them who no mind them here we head top split. Bull, me 45 cannot stick. I mean bust up your face with a pickaxe stick. Have me stop no feel and not stop it. Inna your face me pop up and not stick. Listen it. Them a fight me and them feel say we don't know. Emmanuel, that guy we show we not the way you go. Them who no like visiting you, them talents are the glow. From make up and mark something happy, a bad mind they show. From fake friend, me make sure divide and part. Them a people, I mean I go hide and talk. Two friend I write question, I'm an ask. You a friend and a bad mind, be my one class. Them who like to hear say that I'm my van start. Life, them want hear say I'm an last. Find out them around.
Humber. Yo. Hey boy, you man a dealing now?
Yeah, we are the dog.
Yo, what
hey
are you
boy, come on,
yo,
hey boy, me say, hey, let the clip go now, no man, hey, hey, maximum, hey boy.
Hold on, how I go on that?
Yeah, me, hey boy, you don't know what going on already.
No, dog, yo,
hey, this man, boy, you don't know that already, you, hey boy, you don't know that.
Yo, the school of my youth.
Hey boy, little boy, where little man for you? Hey boy, you know see I seen, hey boy, you know, little boy, yo. Hey boy, say,
yo, come here,
yo, watch out now. Where licky man for you?
No dog, you can't say no dog. You may say man you.
Yo, hombre, you see no see man, hombre. Avoid him man a year. I just that me have to tell you no boy. Me fee and bust off piece of your ear, no boy. Hey boy, me say relax off your mouth.
Yo,
hey boy.
Come on, me look like me left nothing. No. Yeah, me repeat. Yeah, me soon come. My Down there and we didn't feel down and feel away and
wow.
Some little foolish happened with me and nothing did like
no,
it.
Okay, I'm here alone now, so you see, a little foolish, can I explain all that part there? So, what happened with your like friend? That would have sex?
Yeah.
You have sex with your friend?
Yeah.
That bastard that has happened to him too, they too disgusting.
I don't feel away so I have sex with somebody else and it's just that I'm a person. And I'm a friend and all of that.
I'm sorry, this is out of it. I will cry over the ring.
Don't worry yourself, never play.
Hello?
Man!
Just correct now. Yeah, my mother just moved out and thing. Me was free and one thing.
I have something to tell you. Like, I'm pregnant.
You what? You're pregnant? Really? May I come right now, yeah?
Yeah, hurry up and come.
May I come?
Much more. I know me this tell us to sit up. Information that is a wicked boy. And but you know when he friend in me not jail. I mean that thing I'm going to make you do to yourself. Because he seems like a nice person. I mean I believe you then don't take your body put to him. Right.
Yeah.
I mean touch yourself.
Jessica.
Me a come in a lie down. We have to find something to come. Wait. Go next.
Jessica, you sure you're alright?
Yeah, me a come, babes. Me a come. No, that man, you me a lay down, we are looking for nobody now, you know.
So,
what do you feel?
Definitely I will interview you now.
Yeah, baby, you're still, you know, everything. What do you feel?
No, Pierce, we can't believe.
Yeah, you got after
sure you're pregnant?
First, I'm pregnant, that time I come from, but I have face, me talk.
Even though I watch this man, I just want like an incident, man.
No, that don't look like a little incident. You want something to drink?
But me want make my own tea, but me can't just believe say you're really pregnant.
Yeah, baby, you're not going to not me talk, but more you get something for you. I don't like how you look.
Alright, you ready? Do it. Yes, yeah?
Yes, my father.
Boy,
yeah? The boy did a man, but me I go feel the tea and come.
Boy, star, can't believe this. Chocolate tea, baby.
No, nothing to boy man. Come down to the place. Just at last I'm sleep. But the most I'm making sleep. It's when I extend my mental myself. I must have known it takes so long to come with every cook tea. Me not find no coffee.
So what is?
I cinnamon tea. Cinnamon leaf where it smells nice.
Here she rocks at this little girl.
With the pianos.
Not Joe.
Drink coffee.
There you go.
Drink coffee.
They may have to take time to see you again. So, they tell you what kind of baby girl, boy.
I'm not going to baby, I'm just go and find out. Because I don't feel good for them, I don't feel so good. So I wonder, how many of us are really good? What do you mean I'm really?
Sweet boy, but not lie. Seriously? But glad for that baby.
Drink up that and make me go for them. So I one time I think look around here blowing eyes.
Oh!
That
one sweet man.
He good for you.
Should I write to you, boy?
Then I must write to me and I write to you when I'm good for you. Drink. Look a bit more. Because no more going to say that you're going to take too long to go. Alright, that's a boy.
Wow.
That is not right.
Hey, that's show you nice, you see? Are we going to see here?
This wasn't so
Are we going to see there?
Excuse me, but it's worse than just
hold on, somebody else said.
And if you weren't figuring all this stuff about constantly.
Thank you for bringing down my happiness.
So we also then asked about the bonfire.
Feeling bad, that'd be like...
You get there.
Alright, I'm moving on.
Okay, that's done. So, Bristol, and look for it.
Just
you want to give up that beautiful thing. Or that. Okay. Here. Yes, sir. Are you serious? What dating board wasn't for the earth?
He loves you. Excellent.
Come.
Ken, come on now. Well, him want to put the night game. Now we feel like tomorrow must be there. You should come on, my two coward man calling and live in a he must sleep. Shit, you know, he talks. No. Get up and come now.
So where are we staying?
What we are going to say now? We're going to just in shoes.
Shoes?
Yeah, take up the shoes. Yeah, tie. You put it.
Well, I don't manage with the man in thinking shoes. The man always telling me, put them nice on.
And you just have to eat for me, don't do that. Okay, I want this. I thought it take too long to man. Should I not can? Tie and tie up on the bed foot. And we take it to a leg together, yeah, you idiot?
Oh.
Okay. You can.
I got things and wear this shoes.
So you keep me moving on, you're pregnant.
I make sure I give him soldier tie. How you feel rotted? You can't pull this when you wake up.
No, man. You say I give him soldier tie? Jackie Chan time, you give him.
Time up.
Outside, when he wake him.
Can't move. So how we going to wake him?
Simply use him shoes, take him shoes and put over his nose.
Well, I'm not thinking shoes.
What's my?
Oh yeah. Wake up. Wake up.
Chill, where is her? Enough gal, still a feel we harvest. No, she a worry, no one with the follow. And afraid anytime me dey far out. She a call and a beg no le far out. Funniest thing a she tell me le far out. She a worry, no one with the follow. And afraid anytime me dey far out. She a call and a beg no le far out. Funniest thing a she tell me, you a go like say. I know you tell me fi go and take when me close to your warm man fi put on wa worry ya. I must the thing was so long make. I know you a beg me fit and you know what see. Another gal with your man where you expect. Me woulda see you with your one car. Circle down hall when me hear wedding band. You see a text set me now le 40 man car. She a worry, no how we fi fall out. And afraid anytime me dey far out. She a call and a beg no le far out. Funniest thing a she tell me le far out. She a worry, no how we fi fall out. And afraid anytime me dey far out. She a call and a beg no le far out. Funniest thing a she tell me, y'all them too enough. Physically have one member say, woman they are more than man can't afford. Me no more than less say and honey can't ride for your boy pre funny wrong gal come at me. She run where she man time belly careful. What a hungry fin yam hall cause want to touch me no from Billy Ram. Must be the wisest car me pass all a man car. Tell her worry no war with me follow. And afraid anytime me dey far out. She a call and a beg no le far out. Funniest thing a she tell me le far out. She a worry no war with me follow. And afraid anytime me dey far out. She a call and a beg no le far out. Funniest thing a she tell me, you a go like say. I know you tell me fi go and take when me close to your warm man fi put on wa worry ya. I must the thing was so long neck. I know you a beg me fit and you know what see. Another gal with your man where you expect. Me woulda see you with your one car. Circle down hall when me hear wedding band. See a text set me now le 40 man car. She a worry no how we fi fall out. And afraid anytime me dey far out. She a call and a beg no le far out. Funniest thing a she tell me le far out. She a worry no how we fi fall out. And afraid anytime me dey far out. She a call and a beg no le far out. Funniest thing a she tell me, y'all them too enough. Physically have one member say, woman they are more than man can't afford. Me no more than less say and honey can't ride for your boy pre funny wrong gal come at me. She run where she man time belly careful. What a hungry fin yam hall cause want to touch me no from Billy Ram. Must be the wisest car me pass all a man car. Tell her worry no war with me follow. And afraid anytime me dey far out. She a call and a beg no le far out. Funniest thing a she tell me le far out. She a worry no war with me follow. And afraid anytime me dey far out. She a call and a beg no le far out. Funniest thing a she tell me.